They're connected to my phone, so I can do videos and pictures. So right now I'm doing a video. So we are on the back of a motorcycle, 3 of us. Yeah. Fun times. Welcome to the Philippines. Still talking to my glasses.
So your glasses and how a video?
Yes.
Oh.
And I do it with voice command.
Ah, okay.
So when I talk, I'm talking to the glasses saying take a video.
Oh, okay.
So we are driving to the countryside, to the province, on the back of a motorcycle. And I can see why. The road is getting smaller. That's a river?
Yeah.
Where's the water?
River is, if the rain is strong, then the water is coming.
Ah, okay. Oh, no more road.
Yeah, this is the,
This is the part I was a little concerned with, because if it's muddy,
yeah.
I'm heavy.
Wala na ka nakuha sa kubog do.
There's some of the family. And getting a little rain. Oh yeah, that's very narrow. All good. And they even work in the rain. In the US, it starts raining, everybody stops working. This is getting more and more interesting. Oh, this is interesting.
Brother of America.
Ah. They tricked me.
This is the older brother.
Ah.
America.
I don't think my shoes are good for this.
Yes, yes.
Downhill.
Downhill. Uphill. Downhill. Okay, just slowly. Because,
Maybe not the mud. Maybe a little
yeah, okay. Because
grass better than mud.
very
Slippery. Yeah, no, I saw already. Right, so we just put the Starlink right there, got it plugged in to an outlet, and we have internet. So Mary Grace is actually live right now utilizing the Starlink. It's not the best place, but it's actually working. So yeah, we are in the mountains. It's no joke. I don't even know what that cable is right there, but we are out there. The Starlink is very okay. She says the Starlink is okay. But now we are still dealing with concrete and stuff, so if you're in the house, especially if you close the door, you might have problems. As long as we're out here in the porch, it should be perfectly fine. Well, we'll see when everyone else gets here. It is limited data. Like I was saying, I had to put it with the US package, which is $50 for 50 gigs of data. So it's a little expensive. What I might do is see if I could change that. That way we let it ride and not stop it. So we'll see. Did you come for the food or the internet? Or did you want both? Did you come for the food, the internet, or both? Oh no, that ride was rough.
Starling.
It's right there.
Oh, that's your Starling.
That little white thing's the Starling. But it's not gonna reach all the way to your house from here. But yeah, as long as one house has internet and you could put enough like bridges, you could jump the internet all over the place.
Sa Facebook na ako na. This is Facebook ko, daming kain dyan.
Nag-live pa sa ano lang ga, sa Facebook lang ga.
Nag-live. Grabe, live.
What's the difference? You're still willing to work with level 5. Example, if you're on an elevator and you're with your friend and this really big guy gets on and you and your friend look at each other and you're like, damn. But you still let the big guy ride your elevator. That's the difference. Level 6, you see walking towards your elevator. Oh, hell no.
like that Uber driver. He didn't let that rapper get on. Hell no.
Yeah, I didn't hear about that.
The guy that I met
Those
was
are